Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to compare Bolt New and Lovable, and we're going to look at how to build a $1 million landing page. And we're going to compare between Bolt New and Lovable, and we're going to use free keyword generator to identify the search volume for each specific keyword or our niche, and then use the Lovable and Bolt New to create a product, to create a landing page, the absolute sales landing page. Now we're gonna test and try out. So first thing first, I'm gonna search up a keyword. Now free keyword generator from Ahrefs is absolutely for free. You can check the search volume. So let's just say if I type in best dog food and select the country and click find keywords, then it's gonna show you the search volume with the keyword difficulty and last search engine update. And you can choose, you can go with the keywords which are easy, and you can choose this, and you also have questions which people are actively asking in a search engines. So what I'm going to do is this prompt. Now this prompt says create a persuasive sales copy landing page where it pitches the one Instagram secret feature that generates money without paid ads. Now I'll come back to this tool later in this video. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to give this prompt. Okay, so this is a made up prompt. Now the prompt simply says create a persuasive sales copy landing page where it pitches the one Instagram secret feature that generates money without paid ads or burning out producing organic content, targeting people who are 18 to 25 years old who are running Instagram theme pages already, and people who want to start Instagram theme pages, or people who are looking to start side hustle which requires no startup capital cost or still make money online. Write like Apple level sales copy and create a case study and transformation story of either person who went from trying endless side hustles to burning out. Now if you look at if you read this prompt, right, this is in-depth prompt. You can see this is a prompt which is I sit down and wrote, took me a minute or two to in-depth write this prompt. Now I'm gonna give both sides and hit enter and see what it builds, right? So let's just look at the final output. All right guys, it is time to compare Lovable landing page and then Bolt New landing page. Now it really is interesting when I look at the Lovable, with the small subtle things, which is this display, the gradient. You can see right here, it's a live display, and then you can see the copy is decent. So I read this every single thing, but the copy is decent, not that great as of Bolt New. But Bolt New is pretty premium. The landing page is pretty premium. You can go, like, it even added a good testimonials right here, and then nice FAQ section. It is even responsive, right? It is even responsive to mobile, so you can see such a good landing page, such a good premium landing page built by Bolt. And then if I look at this Lovable, now you can see it has problem with oh, that's nice. Okay, it's going transparent when I hover my mouse, but the white, it is not complement color to whatever the gradient background it has used, and you can see literally, okay, we have got this up. But anyway, we can ask the Lovable to rewrite this code, use any color instead of white. But again, if I read the landing page and it is not good as Bolt, and then we have got this nice little testimonial right here. So it's a case study, and then the Instagram secret revealed. So what you get inside, and then frequently asked questions, and then there is no testimonial section, and then we have something called call to action. Now you can see when we have this dynamic, whenever I hover, there's a subtle change in a background to make like something like we are clicking on it. But when it compares to Bolt, right, okay, Bolt, even Bolt has some subtle dynamics going around. So we have got this in a plain gradient background. We have got a nice little text over here. Now this looks very premium, the way it has aligned and every single thing. And then you can see it's a fantastic copy, guys, trust me. You can pause the video and read it for yourself. The copy is really good. I read it. And then when it compared to Bolt New and Lovable, the speed, the build time, the Bolt was pretty quick. And then you can see this is a case study. Now you can see it made italics. Okay, before and after transformation story, and then we have got the testimonials added right here, even with the stars, okay, even with the revenue and the name and also what type of business they are in, and then we have got this frequently asked questions. Okay, these are good, and then we have got the big call to action with along with the copyright thing, right? And then the main important thing is it even added the disclaimer. So let me see if the Lovable added disclaimer. Okay, good, fine. This is it, guys. Now in order to make this landing page take it to value of $1 million, what you need to do is you want to go to the free keyword generator, and then you simply type in make money Instagram. Okay, so this is a keyword which we want to drive traffic to this landing page, right? We're gonna create an organic content. That way we're gonna increase the sales. Now in order to get $1 million, in order to make $1 million from these landing pages, you simply need to sell 1,000 times $100 product. Now how are we gonna bring the traffic? Simply by leveraging organic content. Now you don't need to write blog articles, you don't need to do anything, because I want to introduce you a new AI SEO writer that auto publishes to your blog. It's an auto SEO writer. It auto whatever organic content, organic traffic you need, it does the job for you. Now you simply sign up, you can generate 3 articles for free. So if I show you the dashboard, how the SEO writer dashboard looks like, you can see right here we have a bunch of options right here. Now for most of the cases, what you need to do is go here, take a keyword. So let's just say make money on Instagram, right? And go to the SEO article and paste the keyword right here and leave the title. It's optional because AI picks up the keyword, right? And then click on add keywords. Now once you add keyword, it's going to take you to the waitlist page where you can customize it. Now if I scroll down, this is a keyword which I added. Now I'm simply going to click. Now it's going to go into generation mode. Now while it's generating, I want to show you an example of an article, how it looks like. So let's just take this article which I recently generated. Now if I click on view, now this is the blog article which you're going to get. Now the reason why I say to write blog articles is it's the best way to capture the traffic organically. I mean, you can run a paid ads, but that's another case study. But if you want to simply write a content using AI, I mean, come on, it's a 2025 and you can automate it, literally automate it for free, and you can generate an organic traffic. Now organic, working on search keywords, it's like evergreen, like it keeps on coming, the traffic keeps on adding with the momentum if you niche down and keep on writing blog articles. I mean, you don't even have to write that, but yeah, AI does the job for you. Now you can see it has written over 1,000 words of blog article which you can directly publish to your WordPress or whatever CMS hosting you're using, right? And it even has an AI assistant where you can ask a simple questions like simplify the reading level to humanize it, and then expand on complex ideas and make it more engaging. You can also type here, you can say make it more persuasive to sell the digital product, okay, and then it does the job for you. Now the good thing about this is it even generates an images with all text to rank in an image space, and then it has FAQs, nice little FAQs to help in a SERP rankings. Okay, so we have the nice little conclusion right here. So with that being said, the link will be in the description. Make sure check that out, and all good. Catch you on the next one.